Hi, my name is Matthew Dobbs. I'm here to talk about unlicensed HVAC contractors. HVAC is just another fancy name for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. The Smiths hired Brown's handyman service to install an all-new HVAC and ductwork system, but received nothing but headaches and legal fees. Numerous defects including faulty wiring, leaky ducts, noisy equipment, and dripping plumbing haunted their home. HVAC purchases are one of the most expensive repairs in a home. If done improperly and with an unlicensed contractor, it can ruin a home. I know how important hiring a licensed contractor is because my dad used to be one. More severe punishments need to be handed down for unlicensed contracting. First are problems associated with unlicensed contracting. Second are some of the causes also associated with inadequate work performed by unskilled installers. Finally, we will offer some solutions to homeowners looking to have work performed. First, we're going to look at the problems. First on the block is inferior labor. First, what we're looking at here is poor wiring. Wiring is too small. Second, what we're going to look at is, this is definitely unlicensed contracting because there's no inspector in the world that would allow this to happen. I mean, that is just dangerous on all accounts. So, inferior labor, okay. Conditioning Comfort Masters heating and amp state, an anemometer, and a fog machine are the best ways to balance airflow and check for leaks. This is a thermometer, obviously, digital. This is a multimeter. Checks voltage, amperage, and this checks carbon monoxide. Next is going to be indoor air quality. We're going to look for mold, mildew, from water spillage, everything else. Can cause damage to your roof, can cause damage to your ceilings, your attic, can cause damage to everything in between. You've got things in here that rodents can get in, bugs can get in, the fiberglass can cause damage to your lungs. Indoor air quality, a brief guide to mold, moisture in your home state can cause severe health problems such as asthma and emphysema. Problems with unlicensed contractors, according to the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation, it allows individuals to apply, search, or file a complaint against a licensed contractor. You cannot file a complaint against an unlicensed contractor on this, but you can search for licensed contractors. So that's a good portal you can go to see and find a licensed contractor. There's no standards governing unlicensed contractors like there are licensed contractors. They don't take the test, they don't do the continuing education, so just do your homework when you're looking for them. Causes. Now we're looking at causes. Foreign materials are some of them. Chinese drywall, which was eating copper, different metals, different materials inside the house and everything else. Also, thinner copper. They're making cheaper materials. The dangers of foreign material, the dangers of using cheap foreign-made materials in construction projects state, foreign materials often contain dangerous chemicals such as formaldehyde and often cause substandard products. Here, unlicensed contractors are not able to shop at stores like Baker Brothers, Lennox, Carrier, Train. They're unable to do that because they are not licensed. Unskilled laborers. He's chasing the carrot. I'm sure he's promised the world, but they're not going to give it to him because they don't have to. They just don't have to. They're not going to give a 401k, bonuses, all that stuff. They just don't have to. According to NPR, less high school graduates are going to trade schools, which are very high-paying jobs, and now they're going to college. Investment. Homeowners are afraid to lose the money. They've already given the unlicensed contractor the money. They don't want to lose their money. They're looking for the good in the person. The courts take too long. It's August. It's hot. They just want air conditioning. So they don't want to lose it. Forbes states, with low pay comes low hours and low productivity. Rewrite legislation. Okay. Spectrum Bay News 9 reports Hillsborough Sheriff's Office arrested 9 unlicensed contractors with various charges and fines. Okay. Choosing who installs your new HVAC system is a huge decision. Okay. Make sure you've done your due diligence on licensed contractors before you buy. But today we've covered some of the issues with unlicensed contractors, discussed some causes. We've given you some solutions to the problems. By investigating and learning about licensed contractors, you're taking the first step and not becoming a victim like the Smiths. Thank you very much.